breaking up?
Yeah, it feels like it's breaking up a little bit.
Breaking up a lot.
And slipping a little bit too.